Welcome students. Today we will guide you on how to take AMCAT test online from your home using auto procured feature on AMCAT. For taking the test, you will need a computer with webcam attached to it or a laptop having a built-in webcam. Smooth and uninterrupted internet connectivity throughout the test. Google Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox browser. In case you are taking the test on Windows 8, please make sure that you are using latest version and disable all the pop-ups and notifications. For taking the AMCAT exam, click on the URL provided in your email and log in. Enter your username and password as provided in the email and click login. Please ensure that the language is selected as English. You will be prompted to allow the access of your webcam. Please allow to enable your webcam. Your face should be clearly visible in the webcam. There should be enough light on your face. You shouldn't be out of sight of the camera even for a minute. Also, ensure that you are alone and no one else is sitting with you. Select Start New Test. Here you can see about what is AMCAT. Click on Next. Importance of AMCAT is given here. Click on Next. This is about the AMCAT process. Click on Next. Next page is about filling details. Here enter the details. First name and last name are mandatory. Please ensure that the email ID which you are filling is proper. The same mail ID will be used to access your account in future by you. Fill the current address and permanent address. Both can be same too. In education details, details of class 10th is mandatory. If you have done 12th or PU after 10th standard, kindly select option yes against the question have done 12th and enter 12th board percentage and year of completion. If you have not done 12th, select the option no. In next step, engineering students need to select bachelor's. Select BE, BTech or MBA depending on your degree or master's. Select the stream from the drop-down list. If you are unable to find your stream, select others from drop-down list and enter your stream manually in the box below. Same procedure of selecting others and entering the name manually can be used if you are unable to find your college name and affiliated university name. Please select your year of completion carefully. Kindly make sure that you are compulsorily filling your USN, which is your university roll number, against the block of university registration roll number. Now let us see 3 cases of filling education details for engineering students. Case 1. If you have done only PU or 12th after 10th standard, select option no against question have done diploma degree. Enter the security question and answer and click on continue. Case 2. If you have done diploma along with 12th, select option yes against have done diploma question. Fill the required details of diploma and click on continue after filling security question. Case 3. If you have done only diploma after 10th, select option no for have done 12th question. Then select bachelor's degree against question latest or currently pursuing degree. Fill the bachelor's details form by selecting BE BTech. For have done diploma degree question, select yes and fill the diploma details. Select security question and answer and click on continue. And logical ability are compulsory modules. Here, 2 optional domain modules must be selected according to your stream. Click on next to continue for the assessment. Please note that the opening of any new windows or tabs during the assessment is blocked. Attempting the same will log you out from the assessment page. Now let us know about the general instructions. There is no negative marking. You have to answer all the questions mandatorily. You cannot skip any questions. Do not click on submit module or quit test. You cannot change your answers of any previous question. If somehow your test is stopped in between due to power failure or internet disconnection, wait for 5 minutes. Now you may log in again using the same details. After entering the username and password, click on resume incomplete test. Please resume the test only after 5 minutes. Once you click on resume incomplete test, you need to type your security questions answer. Hence, please be careful and remember your security questions answer. Please note that you are not allowed to open any other browser, new windows, new tabs or minimize the test window during the entire process of your assessment. If done so, your test will be invalidated and your scores will not be processed and you won't be able to complete the test. Here you can see the details about modules, number of questions and timings for each. Kindly copy and save your AMCAT ID for your future reference. Click on Start. To answer a question, click the checkbox beside the correct answer and click Next to answer the next question. Please proceed with the test in the similar way. Once a module is completed, the test will move to the next module. Please ensure that you are answering all the questions in the module. Do not exit the test or skip any module. You will be given with a feedback form regarding the assessment you have taken now. Select your answers and click on Submit. Once the test is completed, you will get a confirmation message on screen that your test is now completed.